Was your vehicle damaged in the recent hailstorm? We're here to help you restore your pride and joy back to its showroom condition. We'll guide you through a fast and easy estimation process. We can then help liaise with your insurance companies. And then, with our highly skilled hail damage technicians, we'll restore your vehicle back to its rightful condition, all without the use of fillers or paint. Watch this short video and see how we can help you.
When large hail hits, it can be devastating. If your vehicle has been caught in the recent storm, we want to give you the peace of mind that we can restore your vehicle to showroom condition without filler or paint. With over 10 years specialised experience in removing auto hail damage to the highest level, Trident PDR is your stress-free solution when it comes to resolving your hail damage issues. Call us now to book in for your free hail damage estimate on 0330 400 53 63.